Have you ever thought about making your garden both beautiful and edible? Welcome to the world of ornamental vegetable gardening, an exciting realm where aesthetics meet practicality, offering a visually pleasing garden that also provides fresh produce. Imagine the joy of seeing your garden bloom with colors and the satisfaction of harvesting your own food. Starting an ornamental vegetable garden is simpler than you might think. Begin by finding a location that gets plenty of sunlight and has well-draining soil. Next, prepare the soil by adding compost or organic matter to enrich it. Now comes the fun part, choosing your vegetables. You'll want to select varieties that are not only tasty, but also visually appealing. Think rainbow chard, purple cabbage, or striped tomatoes. With the right start, your garden will be off to a great bloom. Once your garden is set up, it's crucial to know how to maintain it. Regular watering is key, especially during dry spells. Don't let those weeds take over. Pull them out as soon as they appear. Harvest your veggies when they're ripe to encourage more growth. It's also worth enriching the soil occasionally with organic matter to keep your plants healthy. And remember, pests can be a nuisance, so keep an eye out and manage them early. A well-maintained garden not only looks good, but also produces better yields. Ornamental vegetable gardening brings a unique kind of joy. Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing your own food, coupled with the aesthetic delight of a vibrant living tapestry. So why not give ornamental vegetable gardening a try? You'll be surprised at the beauty you can create and the bounty you can harvest. And that's a quick guide on starting your own ornamental vegetable garden. We've explored how to get going, from choosing your plants to creating an attractive layout. Then, we delved into maintaining your garden, ensuring it remains vibrant and healthy. Finally, we embraced the sheer joy that this form of gardening brings, a unique blend of beauty and practicality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and guides. Happy gardening!